knowing till here. Okay. Okay, now take off. Okay. Wait a second, wait a second.
What's your starter?
Let.
It is not flying.
This is way when you start.
Reset it again.
It will never be teleport.
Okay, now it will.
It will never.
One, right?
It will never be teleport.
So if you keep it low,
Didn't beat it.
as a restarter.
That is so cheating.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Back to your seats. Your controller should be off. The battery should be out of your drone. Okay. Okay. Back to your seats. So guys, tell me one thing. We just made it take off and then we made it land, right?
We're gonna take more time. So there's like 15 minutes left. Just let's change the delay.
No. Okay. Now you guys will have to change the delay, but not take it to the ceiling.
Not to this.
No.
accident.
No, we won't be doing it. Okay, because the next thing we have to do
What?
is okay. Now we were taking it off and then landing it again, right? Now what we have to do is we have to take it off from one block and land it on the other one.
We already did that.
We already.
No.
Now
Okay.
it's my legend.
Okay, so what happens is, were we changing anything? Okay, for example, if I want to move it forward like this, what will I change? The roll, pitch, or yaw? Pitch, right? So now what will I have to do? I have to take it off, increase the pitch, okay, for some time, and then make it land.
Okay.
Okay, so now, okay, this is how we change the roll, pitch, and yaw. Okay. So
So I'm
basically,
putting it in programming mode.
no, not right now. Don't do anything with it right now. Okay. Now, what we have to do is basically, what was the flight event? Okay, where should the code for pitch come in?
Word loop.
Over here.
Why don't we do it?
Not in loop. It was
After takeoff.
No, after
Okay.
takeoff.
After takeoff, and after the delay. Okay, this delay is for after the drone takes off. It has to be stable for some time, right? And then we can do something with it. So 2000, the 2000 was for making it stable. Okay. So now making it move forward. Okay. So now for making it move forward, what do we have to change?
Pitch.
The pitch, right? Okay. So for changing the pitch, what we do is we can set the okay. This is the pitch is forward. Is positive or negative?
That was
It's positive.
That was
Okay, this is the front.
Oh.
This is the front. So it's positive, right? We'll keep it like this. It will take off, pitch forward, and then land. Okay. So just wait a second. We'll just set it to.
We are so gonna win again.
How are you going to win? It's not a competition.
It is.
It's not a competition.
Life is a competition.
How is that a competition?
It is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so
Even sitting down.
Nobody is competing against you because of
No.
Legends.
no, you're doing it one at a time. So
Nope.
how is it
Yeah.
basically?
With the undefeated champions.
Yes.
Undefeated champions of
Quadcopter-ness.
Godcopter, takeoff, and
Land on the other block.
okay.
Visibility of 2 seconds.
Okay, guys. So now the pitch is basically what you have to do is you have to write pitch in capital.
Go there.
Okay. So the pitch is what value should the pitch be? Set it to I think it should be positive, right? So set it to positive 50 is equal to 50.
All of them is now done. Equals to.
Okay, guys. One thing. This will be we'll be using this in the next session a lot. You know what happens is when we set the roll, pitch, and yaw. Okay. So for over here we only need to change the pitch, right? We don't need to change roll or yaw. Okay. So we change the pitch, and then we have to set. This is something that's important. We always call a function that is called control. Okay. So this is the
After
function.
pitch.
After pitch. So whenever we change something,
Codron dot control. Why did you erase some code?
yes. Which
Codron dot control. But why did you do all the captain of our I don't know. Codron.
okay. So now what happens? Okay, guys. Whenever we change the roll, pitch, and yaw, we have to call control again. If I set pitch to 50, and if I don't call control, the pitch won't be set to 50. You don't do it, right?
Sir,
Only when we call it to control, then okay. So for how long do we have to take it forward?
5,000.
No, not for 5,000. Okay.
5,000.
Okay, this will be different for everyone. Okay. So I'm just setting it to 1,000 for me. But okay, you guys start with 1,000.
No.
2000.
2,000.
Okay, and then you move it forward, and then you have to land. Okay. So now what will happen? It will take off, pitch forward for how long?
2 seconds.
1 second.
2.
We
One.
want it to
Okay. I'm going to try it with my one first, and then we'll see.
Okay, sir, you try.
So how much energy does one battery of this
This
size have?
we can figure out. Ibrahim?
Rahim.
Does it say that
How long can a helicopter run?
this it will last for 5 minutes?
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes.
So the size of the
Let's
battery.
go. Let's watch the kid. Let's see how long it works. Okay, sir. Go. Not flying. Reset it. Fly.
What? He broke.
Oh
He
my
broke a
goodness.
record though.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it like this and I'm gonna make it go there.
Okay. Then let's put this word.
Actually, let's put it over here and make it go there. That'll be the biggest distance.
Guys, 1 second is too high. Change it to 500.
Okay.
Guys, change the 1,000 delay to 500. We tested it, it's too long. We tested the 1,000 delay, it's too long for the. No, make change it to 500 only.
What about
600.
800? Okay, not 8. Sir, there's an error.
There's no semicolon here. Very bad. Very
Upload.
No, don't upload this. This is the game. That is the
On. Put it on. Uploading mode.
Don't do it right now. Wait for a second.
It is in uploading mode. Now let's upload. much is 500?
Half a second.
Okay. Half a second is way too low.
Yeah, but
Maybe it's free on the net, so we have to test. We have to start with 500. 700.
why did you
No, do it 500.
You did 750 at least.
You can go ahead.
I
with
would
the
say I want
500,
to-
one would be fine.
In the next class, can we make like put some sensor in it, and when I throw this like a frisbee, it balances itself.
First of all,
Very expensive
Sir.
frisbee.
Sir, why aren't we doing it first now?
you have to test it. No? Okay, is the delay correct or not?
This is what that's.
Okay, it's yellow. One isn't moving. Oh, one is not. What?
Don't do it.
Don't do that.
But still,
Why did it go for so long? Our turn. Okay.
Okay, how long have you uploaded it again?
500. 500 uploaded. No! Oh. Sir, you ruined it again.
The line.
Sir,
Using of the pictures.
sir, you have ruined it again. Stop. Stop.
Why are you holding this?
Stop.
Here, what happens if we reset it and then it takes like 1-2 seconds to start again, right?
Yes, and then it
So
will
I
restart.
throw it. And in midair it starts flying again.
it is supposed to hold it. But if you throw it like this,
So like,
Okay, guys, who has you have uploaded it?
Yes,
There was this thing.
no, we came here before them. We came here before them.
oh, it's all right. Isn't like that? No, don't remember, sir.
Our time first.
It's all right. You both get to try.
We did first. We did first. Last time. We were. Let's see if we're legend again.
should try it.
I'm
But this is
doing
too slow.
Please. Come on. Legendary. Legendary.
Dude, stop with the Kung Fu Panda stuff, Ness. Okay, that's not legendary at all, so you did that.
Yes.
Okay, give them the controller. So.
Naveed. Not that much.
Okay, try change. No.
1,000.
Wait.
Okay, try changing it to
First,
800.
first,
You
First,
try.
let me.
Yeah, go in. Our turn. Come on. Legend.
No, that legendary, but it did go on the.
Okay, try changing it to 700.
700.
Take it out the battery. Take out the battery.
I'll put it on 700.
Turn it off. Sorry. Take him.
Yeah, it's 700. We put it on
700? Okay.
You gave it 700?
Yep.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Because you wanted to?
When is it half a second and
A lot.
7 seconds? Oh!
You're not legends.
What's the difference between 500 and 700 side? Nothing.
We were about to do 800.
Okay, good day. Probably the 800 number one.
You can be
Wow. You basically went back to the same place.
The delay is too long and the pitch is not positive.
It is. You did the programming. You did it wrong. And we legends.
Okay, now it's our turn. Sisters.
Was that really? Wait, that was a second. Yes. Oh.
You guys are just staying in the same place.
No, we aren't. Yes, you are. We went there. Yeah.
And
Actually,
then
we came over here.
they went there and then they crashed
Okay,
here.
guys, one thing, you.
Crash. Oh. Same place. Sir, our turn. Sir,
Okay, you will have to, I think, it moves forward.
But not that fast.
Not that fast.
Okay, now I want to try.
Sir, Arthur. It doesn't want to leave.
So come on.
Sir.
They've been doing it for the past 10 minutes.
Yes.
No, they haven't. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
can come and try now.
No, sir, it's there.
They can. Done.
A little.
Can we use it as trans?
Not legend.
Try it now. Yes, it's reset it.
Get back, Lincoln. Wow.
Wow.
A little.
It moved a step.
Doesn't move.
Doesn't move.
Okay, try it again.
Sir,
Your turn.
Sir.
It's hovering is good though.
I did.
So close, do it once again.
Sir.
Dude, I already did that.
You already completed.
No, actually, we haven't tried the 700.
Yes. Sir, we're done.
Okay, now sit, sit, sit.
One time.
No, you don't want to.
Huh?
Sir, no.
Okay, try increasing it a bit to 700, okay?
But this is a different. Sir, let's do this.
Okay.
Well, now we
George,
have
no, you
to
can do
go
one
down.
thing. The takeoff, set it to from 2000. Set it to something like. Set it to 2500. Takeoff.
Dude, wait.
Okay. You can start it.
Come on.
It's ours.
You already done it.
You told us to do 700.
Yes,
Now this is
he was here
700
before.
version.
Let him
No.
He was here before.
Roshan was here before you.
Sir.
It's all right, Ibrahim. It's all
Sir,
right.
he was
He was here before
No, he
you.
wasn't.
Yes, he was.
Sir, that is so
Kafi mushkil hai. Calm down.
Sir, that is so unfair.
It would be unfair if we let him.
Ibrahim.
It would be unfair for him.
Let me stick by.
In the upcoming sessions.
You want to stick there. Look, I'm going to come on. Let's
Right.
Okay, do it again.
I win.
Not yet. But stick on everything and spinning it around like so fast. Then your stick would be pretty much.
After this guy's order.
After this complete.
Why is yours going?
Sir, we have to do this 700 business. No.
Okay, do it again. Ibrahim, move back.
Backwards.
Okay, you have to increase the pitch a little. It's
Sir, I-
150, right?
Sir, order.
Set it to yes, set it to 80.
Sir, order.
Increase the pitch.
Sir,
Okay.
yeah, but
Okay, let them
No, Ibrahim, you will not put in the battery. What is it?
Okay, everyone get a big bag. Everyone's touching the net.
We are legend.
Nice.
Okay, now I have to try to.
We are legend.
Now I also want to try.
Sir, we are legend.
Good Nice. Good
We are
job.
legend. Legend.
Okay, now turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
We are legend.
Hold it.
We are legendary.
Okay, since we won the competition,
There was no competition.
Yes.
You have won nothing.
life is a competition.
Life is you win. You win life.
This is not life.
They won life. Okay, these are resetted.
We are so this. Is it are you breathing?
What's your color?
Red. What?
Nice.
Whoa!
How much was this?
I don't know. How do you
Do it again. No, give her. It's your turn.
I think the speed is more.
This is awesome.
1,000?
It delays 1,000, sir.
Sir, that's cheating. Get it to delay 1,000.
So it delays 1,000. That's why it's so good.
Yeah. Sir, that's
Believe
really
it or
good.
not. Yeah,
No. We already completed it.
there is 1,000 between.
No. This is yours.
Please show it. Ours is, Take care.
This is-
Alicia,
अच्छा डिले थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करो how much is the delay 500
How much is
आपने
it?
कंप्लीट नहीं किया था
It crashed, landed.
That was the pass. You guys don't win. Okay, now. What is wrong? Okay.
नहीं एक सेकंड ये क्या आपका क्या डिले जो है
Okay, the
okay trying doing one thing change the pitch from 50 to 70 75 and how much is the delay for after pitch
First,
Yes, wait.
900.
900
no, we did it
What?
first.
Yours is done.
1,000.
No,
1,000.
no,
1,000.
no. Are you done?
Bye-bye.
Yours was done.
Where?
It's going to crash at 1000.
No, they did 1,000. They did
So
like.
it's everyone's is different.
Try.
Let's continue.
What's it? Let's do it.
Wait a second. What did I say? No, guys, that was wrong. Okay, you can't do it without.
Come on. Yes. Lying. Legend.
Look, now 1000 was a lot.
1,000 is too much.
1,000 is too much, right?
Landing area. So decrease it a little bit.
Legend.
They've already completed. They were just having fun. Okay. No. Okay, guys, return your call of this man.
Legend.
Maybe won the competition.
It was a competition. Return it off.
Legend work.
Okay, guys, put it back on your seat. Okay.
Sir, wait. Legend.
Nice. Do it again. Once.
We are legend.
This was awesome. जबरदस्त तो सबसे एक्यूरेट ये याद है ओके गाइस बैक टू योर सीट अच्छा चलो बैक टू सीट
Hey, let's do it like 5,000.
Oh my
नहीं give me back your dot after
We have to start on this. You will be able to do a lot of those.
next time you will be doing more fun stuff with this
We
right
want to remote control it.
and
Okay, let's
We are legend.
Let's see these guys fail again.
Let's see you guys fail again.
यार मैं नहीं उड़ाना चाह रहा मेरी बैटरी भी लो है वैसे इसकी क्लास में नहीं
We are legend.
क्लास में बिल्कुल नहीं मैंने इनको बोला नेक्स्ट वीक में आऊँगा इनको डेमोंस्ट्रेशन
It's here this time.
Did you cover it all?
Yeah, I did.
Just
cover
finish
it.
it. I think the pitch is too.
It's supposed
The
to
pitch is too high for you.
Yeah, it's supposed to see. It's supposed to go on the platform and then
First,
go.
take care of connect करके मैं आऊँगा office.
Put it on the far edge. Put it on the far edge. Put it here.
Orange. Okay.
Who's
Far
going
edge.
to guide now?
okay guys wait a
Move a
second
little back.
wait a second
Fail.
Run.
Okay, let's take 5 again. This time I'm using both hands with more skill.
Don't. Put them back.
Dude, that's coming fast.
I know.
अहमद सबसे कॉर्पोरेट
I'm good.
Yes.
There's no one here.
Let's show you the controller. Or you want to tell them what it does?
Very controls that the core to move. We have won the competition.
What it basically does is when you press the reset button, it cuts the quad pocket, and that it yeah. So what we are going to do now is when you're going to test it, you're going to press the button and place the controller there. right? Just
Okay.
Place the controller there.
Now just reset it from there, okay? So close. So close. Okay, let's do it again.
Let's try it again. Hold on. Yes. And
Wow.
The landing area is not straight.
Landing area.
Oh, Alicia, can you pull the pipe?
so yeah, can you
Pull
please
it back.
come here next to me so that yes. Acha, hold it straight in your palm. Yeah. And when the platform's ready, just press the button and remove your hand from the controller. Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Too far.
Too far.
So should we change the pitch to like 60?
Change the pitch to 60.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh,
let's
yeah.
go.
Yes, Mia.
Sir, why are we having so many turns? Because ours is not a legendary. We don't like wars. We are legendary. You guys are legendary. We are legendary.
I don't know. Salary, can you bring your own laptops?
You have to do everything.
Okay.
Click the button twice. Okay. Sorry.
Come to here. So you set it to 60, right?
Yeah.
Reset it. Yes. It was 60.
Yep.
What if we change it to like minus?
Minus does not go back.
Minus.
But it's already going back.
Yes.
Okay, try it again. Try it again once.
I think you change it to minus.
No, it put down also.
No, that isn't the correct way.
What if
Let's
I
go
told you
this
what
one
I like?
and
I
then go
love
back
mine
and
down.
down. Then this over.
Yours doesn't take off straight.
Hadia. Ever the failure.
You start it again. Where's the remote?
Soledad.
Now
So
reset it.
how come they're still doing it?
It was close.
Okay, basically, okay, next time we'll keep something below this, right? So this will be more stable.
Or if you keep the drone on this one, it will go back.
No, it's
No, it
coming,
won't do it
it's
on
coming
that.
on this side, but
Okay, restart it. Okay, it's moving towards the right, okay? So next time we'll also adjust the roll. Okay, it's shifting towards that side, right? So next time we're going to be changing that as well.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, give it this way.